Hi guys, it's your real estate mama Cassandra Abram with eXp Realty. I'm here today at 18427 Argyle in Homewood, Illinois. You're going to love this unique architectural style home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a full rehab. Let's go inside and take a look. You're going to love this home's wonderful open floor concept with lots of natural light, exposed brick, and this wonderful kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and my favorite, the soft closed door. Cassandra Abram with eXp Realty. Feel free to contact me at the number below, and I'll see you on the next video.